Hey everyone, it is 12:30 on Tuesday, and you know what that means. It is time for Temp-tations Tuesday, where we pick an item on QVC.com and we highlight it and bring it to life. This is a brand new launch for us, which I couldn't be more excited about. This is your grill buddy. It's your grill platter. It's the companion you bring out and put right next to the side of the grill, because when you take burgers off or steaks off and you want to keep those juices and the fat away from the food, everything will drain down here right inside. And then there's even a second reservoir over here where you can also put other things inside here, even some dips and things like that. So you can use this as a regular tray, 17 inches long, helper handles here on the side, hand painting on the side as well as the inside. Look at this, love the elongated feel, and think about it. Bringing it out to the grill and taking off all your pulled pork sandwiches, your hot dogs, your hamburgers. Now you're not transferring from dish to dish. You're literally putting this next to the grill. It's our great stoneware. It doesn't go on the grill, but it goes in the oven up to 500 degrees, the dishwasher, the fridge, the freezer, the microwave. What are you gonna serve your corn on the cob? How great if you're grilling and chilling that corn on the cob to be able to bring it right out, put it right on this. Look at this. We have almost 8 ears of corn, plenty of room. This could be a little butter if you wanted to, with a little basting brush. We of course put some great grilled cherry tomatoes. And then last but not least, let's talk desserts. If you're like me, summertime equals s'mores. I mean, let's be serious. Every time equals s'mores. But look at how we just laid this right out so the kids could take this right over to the little fire pit or to the grill and of course make those beautiful s'mores. So this is why I absolutely love it. Brand new. We've never done anything like this before. It's your grill buddy. It's the grill platter, and it's 17 inches long. Available on QVC, and the item number is, drumroll, K51781.